Hello and welcome to WowETA. Today we are going to see how you can set up WowETA at your store. At first, you need to install the WowETA app from the Shopify App Store. After installing, you will directly come to this page, which is basically a WowETA dashboard. Here you will see a setup guide at the top, which you need to finish to set up WowETA perfectly on your store. You can see the app is being activated. Now, you need to add the app block to your store. Simply just click on this Add App Block button, then you will see the WowETA app block. Drag and place it perfectly where you want to show the WowETA message, then go to this app icon, toggle or enable this, and then save. Then come back to your dashboard. And now we'll see that WowETA has been set up already. You can dismiss the setup guide bar from here. Now the main task, you need to create your delivery rules for your customers to show them the timeline of their product arrival. Click on this Add New Rule or on this Create Delivery Rule button. You will be redirected to the ETA Rules page. Here you can set your rule name, add your preparation time, delivery time, choose your templates as you like, change the message bar, and many more. You can also change the theme or the design of your ETA message section from this Design tab. Change color for each option, like message bar, step bar, icon. Then you can set the placement of the ETA messages at any pages from this Apply to tab. We also have other pages with more functionality like global settings and country settings. Thanks for using WowETA. If you need any help and support, or if you have any questions, just email us at support@wowapps.io.